what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, guys. It has been a long minute. I've been chilling, like I had a lot going on, so I couldn't really make no videos, but I'm back now, guys. I'm back, and I decided to make, y'all know I love chicken, right? Some chicken, some macaroni and cheese, and some mixed vegetables. I actually cut some sausages up in the mixed vegetables. I just be making stuff up as I go along, guys. Making it up. I actually broiled this chicken at the end. That's why it like it got a crisp to it. Yes, I did. I broiled it. And I got me a bubbly. This is a new kind. I never had this. This mango passion fruit. Something new I wanted to try. So, okay. Guys should try it one day. I'm going to start with my prayer, and I have a story time, guys. Amen and amen again. Alright, I'm actually using paper plates, everything, everything. Like, no dishes tonight. Heck no. Look, let me do a little thumbnail right quick. Alright. Hold on. Alright, this story time that I'm about to tell actually came from TV One. It's a Fatal Attractions TV show. Eat some first, then I'll start talking about the movie, the TV show. No glass today. I'm drinking out of a straw. And this has caffeine in it. It says 47 milligrams of caffeine. It's definitely something new. 0 calories. It's strong too. Give me. Already dropping it. Alright, my story time was about a girl named Crystal. She lived in an apartment complex. Her and her sister actually lived upstairs from her. They was raised close. Yes, I had another brother. He didn't live too far away either. One day, Crystal's daughter came running downstairs. To her Aunt Felicia's house. Telling her that her mom had been shot. The sister heard the shots, but she didn't know where it was coming from. So she just shut her door and started calling 911 to let them know she heard shots. But when her niece ran out and did that, she told her to stay. Stay in the house, and she ran upstairs. But when she got there, excuse me, her nephew was there, standing with blood all over his hands and his shirt. He was a bloody mess. So she ran in the house and grabbed the baby Because she had 3 kids. She had a daughter and 2 boys. So she went and grabbed the little baby boy. Brought him out and she called 911. Again, they came, went inside the house to check. They found her sister Crystal on the floor. Blood everywhere. Mind you, the little girl was only 11. So they didn't ask for any questions. They were going to get somebody to come in that talks to children to question her. But that never took place. Because one of the neighbors said she saw what was going on. So they asked her if they show her a lineup of the guy's pictures, which should be able to pick them out. She said she thinks so. Mind you, Crystal just had a baby a little while ago by a guy named Wendell. The other 2 kids was by different fathers or prior relationships. So, oh, excuse me. This new guy, Wendell, when she met him, she was in love. He did all the things guys do, in the beginning of relationships. Later on, she realized that relationship wasn't working. Because she found out he was on drugs. He did every kind of drug there was out there. Cocaine, he popped pills, he drank a lot, and he wasn't bringing no money in the house. She was supporting him, doing everything for him. So she met a new guy named Byron. That one of her cousins hooked her up with. Mind you, this night that the shots rang out, she had just left from the new guy, Brian's house, going out with him. Her friends and family all went over there with her. And she was talking to him, telling him how she was happy. She wanted to settle down with him. And the whole 9. Oh, excuse me. So once she got home, she heard a knock at her door. And, of course, it was Wendell, the ex. And they got into a little altercation. She called 911 on him. Did a little report. Now, nobody knew nothing about this report at the time when they found her body. Until they start digging in a little deep. They questioned the first guy, Byron, asked him, what was going on. He told her them about the night that they was chilling together. Everything that the family members had said. And he was so upset that the cops knew he didn't have anything to do with it. He was confused. They said he was asking more questions than he was giving answers. So, oh, excuse me. Mind you, the gun was laying next to her body when they found her. A revolver. So when they did an autopsy on her body, she had blunt force trauma to the head. Like somebody hit her with that revolver so hard that it made an indent inside of her head. On top of shooting her 6 times. So when they caught up with Wendell, they thought he was going, you know, sugarcoat things. Wendell came up with this self-defense thing where he had to stop her because she was this girl that would fight back. Her family said the same thing. She wouldn't let anybody just take advantage of her and do anything to her. But he said she pulled the gun out and was about to try to shoot him. So he grabbed the gun and in turn shot her. But they know he was making this up because the autopsy showed different. How he was beating her and then shot her 6 times. So they really didn't know which one killed her. It could have been out of 3 things. It could have been out of the hit to the head or 2 of the shots. Oh. Of course they didn't buy that story. That's what he was trying to use in court. He ended up getting life in prison. And some of her nieces and, you know, cousins, they weren't really happy with that because they thought he should have been killed. It's like he killed her. They should have took him, gave him the death penalty. But instead, they just made him do the rest of his life in jail. He'll never see the outside again. Some people think that, yeah, you should go ahead and kill them. Same thing they did to somebody else. Then you have different people that think, let them suffer. Let them think about this for the rest of their life. Don't give them, like, they think that's something easy. Giving them the easy way out. In some cases, it is. Because you know, there's some people, they might say, just kill me. Just kill me. And you have other ones that will take a plea deal so you can, so they can save their life. Because they'll still see their family members when they come visit them. I mean, their family's suffering, but they're not hurting as much as the one that they killed family because they still get to see their family. Do contact visits, do regular visits. It says she was one of the nicest people. You can never, ever be mad around her. Ever. And she wasn't trying to have it. This was definitely a new episode. The first time seeing it. You know they play a lot of reruns, but y'all gotta see that one. I'm gonna try to put the link in the description below so you guys can find it. I'm about to actually end this video. I killed this food too. I was hungry. Anyway, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Oh, excuse me. So you'll know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see ya.